open the page number 8. In the page number 8.
Open, sir.
Yes, just wait a minute. The problems are important and interesting problems. Yes, the problem number 3. The problem number 3 is 7 by 5 into minus 3 by 10 plus 7 by 5 into 9 by 10. Yes. Can anybody tell me that answer? What is the answer for this question first? How to solve this problem? Anybody knows that? Yes. Yeah. Simply cross multiplication. Anything is possible here. 7 table, 10 will not come. 7 table, 5 will not go. At the same time, in 5 table, 3 will not go and 7 will not go. So at that time, what to do? Just multiply these two numbers. 7 into 3, 21. What's 21 is that? Minus is there. That's why minus. And denominator is 50. And here plus symbol, plus. Again, if there is any cancellation is possibility, then do it. If not, just multiply the numbers. 7 9s are 63 and here 50. Now tell me that what is the LCM of 50 comma 50? If the numbers are both are same, your LCM is same number, that is a 50. And here write the minus 21 plus 63. If you subtract the 21 minus 63, what is your answer? Here 2, here 4, 42. What 42 is that? Plus or minus? Plus only. 42 by 50. Can you write this number in simplest form? Yes. Cancel in 2 table. 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 25s are. Yes. Then your answer is 21 by 25. So you have to stop the problem. Behind there is a no simplest form. So your answer is 21 by 25. Just copy it. Now understood? Sindhuja?
Yes, sir. Completed. Came.
Yeah, good. And Nidesh? Is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Then the next question is target 1 level 1 homework problems, problem number 11. The problem number 11. Sindhuja, can you read out that? What is the problem? Problem number 11. 17 2 by
17 2 by 3 into 180 plus 1 by 4 of 480 is equal to x.
Yes.
Then x is, we
Yeah,
have to find the x.
Then tell me the x answer.
Okay. Right.
Fast. Quick. Don't wait for me, guys. Try to solve it and tell me the answer.
I started, sir.
What is that? What happened? Yes. Here 17 Yeah, no need of writing listening voice. You can see the screen and write it. 51 53 by 3 into 180 plus 1 by 4 half means what? Into 480. Yes. 3 table 3 ones are 3 6 are 0 here. 4 table 1 2 0. Now multiplication 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31. Here 0. Here this is a what? 120. Add these two numbers, that's the answer. 0 0 3 3. 3300 is the answer. Option number Sindhuja. Where is that your answer?
4.
You have to tell fast now. Yes. Go for the next. Question number 12. Yeah. What is the question number 12? If 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by x is equal to 4, then find x equals. What is the answer? Quick. Any answer, any problem less than 1 minute. That is called IIT. So what's the answer? Shall I wait or continue? Hello?
Right.
Trying. Good. Now, LCM of 2 comma 2 is 2, 2 comma 3 is 6. Here 2, here 3, here 3 plus 1 by x equals 4. 6, 8, 8 by 6 plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Cancellation 2 3s are 2 4s are. Then from here, can I write 1 by x is equal to 4 minus 4 by 3. And here LCM is 3, 12, 4, 8 by 3. Answer is 3 by 8. That's the option number 3 by 8, option number 3. My answer is completed. I am using mouse cursor, but you are using pen and paper. Still you are lagging. Back. Hand up. Yes. Go for the question number 13. The question number 13 is, if product of two numbers is, for consider x into y, two numbers product is how much? 25, mixed fraction 3 by 8. Okay, and if one of them is 15, so consider x is equal to how much? Out of these two you can consider any one. I am considering that x is equal to 15, 9 by 40. Then find the another number. Yes, and now multiply 25 into 8, how much? 25 4s are 100, 25 8s are 200, 203 by 8 here. Now here is 15 4s are 60, 60, 600, 609 by 40. Yes, now my x value is how much? 640 or 609 by 40 into y. Yes, then after that cancel it, that cancellation 8 table. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 8 5s are 8 5s are how much? 8 5s are very good. 8 5s are 40, and here 203, 203. How much the 3s are? So my y is equal to 5 by 3 is the answer. Option number, where is the 5 by 3? Yes, option number 2 is the correct answer. Yes or no? Option number 2 is a correct answer. That is 1 2 by 3. That is in mixed fraction. That is in mixed fraction. Yes. And the question number 14 is a homework. Question number 14 is a homework. Yes, Sindhuja, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Did you understood that? What I am explaining?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. Nidesh, for you? Nidesh, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah, good. And the question number 14 is a homework. The next question is question number 20. Sindhuja, can you read the question number 20, please?
Okay, sir.
Uh,
If A is equal to 100,
uh,
B is equal to 5,
uh,
C is equal to 25,
uh,
D is equal to 125,
uh.
then A by B plus A by
Then A by B plus A by C plus A by D is equal to how much? Yes, this is the question. Yes. What is the solution for this? Tell me the answer. Yeah. From question, can I take A is a common? Yes. Then 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by D. Yeah. A value is how much? 100. 1 by B is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 25 plus 1 by 125. Yes. Then 100 LCM of 5 comma 25 25 in 25 comma 125 is 125. 25 5s are 125. 5 into 25. So here is a 25. Here is a 5. Here is a 1. If you have the doubts, you can do the normal calculation. If you are good in that calculation, then you can 31 by 125. Now cancel it. In what table? 25 4s are 24 5s are. Yes, 4 into 31 by 5. 4, 12, 5. Which one is the option? is there, is not there. What is there? Again do the cancellation. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, remain 5 fours are 20, remain 4, 8, 40, 8 are 24.8. Which one is the option? 24.8.
Second one, sir.
Yes. Did you got the answer? Yes. Very good. And the meanwhile, do the problems are comprehensive answer type the questions. See the question number 21. Before 21, there's gave that what? P value, Q value, R value, S value. So comprehensive means they will give the data one and they will ask the questions 2 or 3 more questions. Right? So first question is greatest rational number is what? Out of all, which one is the greatest? How to find that? So any idea about that? How to find the greatest number or how to find the fraction? When they said 5 by 6, 1 by 6, 7 by 6 and 3 by 6. So when the denominators all are equal, you just consider that numerator which one is a greater, that is a greater value. Right? So which one is a greater? R. Option number 3 is the correct answer for the 21st question. Go for the 22. What is the smallest rational number? When the denominators are equal, what I said then
Q. Q.
Yes, Q. Because of here the largest number is the largest greater number, and when is the smallest number is the smallest number only. When that should be the when the denominators are equal. That is a very important. Right? And the same descending order. Can you write in the descending order? So first is this, and this is a 1, this is a 2, is a 3, this is a 4. Which one is that option? 7 by 6.
First option, sir.
First option. Very good. So, like, can you do the question number 24? Before 24, they gave that again one data. A value, B value. Here, what to do? Do you know that? First, simplify A value. They said that 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So, simplify it that you will get one numerical number. Either that may be the fraction or exact number. Similarly, for the B also. Then, after that, go in the question. Enter into the question. That is 24. Directly, they are asking that A value. What is the A value? Simplification of this. Yes, and that. I think that is numerator is 0 because of 2, 3 LCM is 6, here 3, 3. So option A1, A value is 0. Do again. What about the value of B? Similar way you can do that. Here 4, 5, yeah, maybe that. After that, your B value is can't be a 0 because of if your B value is 0, 26th question, there is a no option is called 0. So your B value is not a 0. Your B value you will get something. Yes. Then after that, just subtract that A value from the B, you will get the answer. So these are the questions. And the meanwhile, if you have any doubts, you go through all the questions. Rational numbers, irrational numbers. Try to prepare that. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Only 2 or 3 members.
Sir.